Welcome back. If you're watching this, it means you're ready to dig deeper into your relationship. And that's a huge step. Today, we are going to talk about how therapy at Marriage Fit works, what you can expect, and how it will be helpful for you and your partner to get stronger and closer together. When couple comes to us at the Marriage Fit, they're not looking for just a quick fix or a temporary fix. You're here because you're ready to transform your relationship in a way that lasts longer. Maybe you're feeling disconnected, weighed down by arguments that never seems to resolve, or carrying the emotional baggage of unmet needs and old resentments. I want you to know you're in the right place. Just like a doctor wouldn't prescribe treatment without understanding what's truly wrong, we don't make assumptions about your relationship needs. We start with a thorough pre-assessment. This phase is about uncovering the root issues so we can design a plan that genuinely works for you. Imagine going to a doctor with severe pain. You wouldn't want them to just give you painkillers, right? And send you off without figuring out what's causing the problem. Maybe the pain is due to something serious like an infection, inflammation, or internal damage that needs the right treatment. The same goes for your relationship. We can't just put a quick fix on your struggles. We need to understand what's really going on beneath the surface. That's where our pre-assessment comes in. It's like a deep dive to figure out what's driving the challenges you're facing. We focus on these key areas. Our pre-assessment phase is about understanding every aspect of your relationship dynamics. Here's what we focus on. We begin with a comprehensive history of your relationship, your individual backgrounds and life experiences. This is the cornerstone of our pre-assessment. Your past, how you were raised, past relationships, and major life events shapes how you communicate, connect, and react to each other today. Understanding this history gives us a full, deep picture of how you relate, so we can provide the best guidance moving forward. Rapport formation and relationship dynamics. We aim to create a safe, trusting environment where both of you feel comfortable sharing. Building this rapport helps us understand the intricate dynamics of your relationship and how you both interact positively and negatively. Third, love languages and value system. Everyone has unique ways of giving and receiving love. We identify your love languages and the core values you each hold dear. Recognizing this can transform how you meet each other's emotional needs and deepen your connection. I understand that when couples come to us, they're often feeling desperate and overwhelmed. The pain in your relationship is real, and waiting for help just isn't an option. That's why, even while we work to uncover the deeper issues causing your struggle, we also provide immediate support to ease some of the pain right away. To make this assessment thorough and scientific, we use established tools like the Gottman Method's relationship checkup, among others. This isn't just a guesswork. It's backed by science and helps us understand how you handle conflict, connect emotionally, and cope with stress. With this information, we can create a plan that's specifically designed for you and your partner. Think of it like walking into an emergency room in a severe pain. You would want relief immediately, right? Even as the doctors figure out what's really wrong. That's exactly what we aim to do with our first interventions. Here are some simple techniques we use: CBT and ACT, cognitive behavioral therapy, and acceptance and commitment therapy. CBT focuses on helping you recognize and challenge negative thought that can harm your relationship. By breaking these unhealthy patterns, you can create more positive interactions. ACT, on the other hand, encourages you to accept uncomfortable emotions without letting them control your behavior. Mindfulness and deep breathing. Mindfulness is something staying in the present. in the moment without judgment, which can help you manage stress. Deep breathing calms both your body and mind, making it easier to respond to your partner with patience and understanding. Even when things get tense, the 5-minute pause. When things are getting heated, taking a 5-minute break can do wonders. This simple pause allows both of you to cool off, reset, and come back to the conversation with clear heads. It's based on CBT techniques and helps break the cycle of negative reactions, allowing you to approach the situation with more compassion. The Gottman Method is a set of strategies for improving communication and reducing conflict. It helps couples understand each other's feelings and needs, creating a stronger foundation of trust and connection. It teaches skills like active listening and managing emotions during disagreements, making relationships healthier and more resilient. Emotionally focused therapy, EFT. It helps couple understand the emotional triggers that lead to the conflict and how to address them. By identifying these patterns, you can reconnect emotionally, creating a deeper bond and more security in your relationship. It encourages couples to express vulnerability and needs in a safe space, in a non-judgmental way. Imago therapy focuses on understanding how your childhood experiences influence your current relationship. It emphasizes empathetic communication, helping you and your partner connect more deeply by listening and understanding each other's perspective. By doing so, you can heal old wounds and create a stronger emotional connection. These easy techniques are a way to find relief and bring some peace into your relationship right from the start. That's only the first step. Our goal is to do more than just help you feel better in a short term. We want to build a strong, lasting foundation for real change. Once we have addressed some of the immediate pain, we will dive deeper to understand the real issues at the core of your struggle. Frequent arguments or emotional distance are often signs of bigger unresolved problems like old wounds or unmet emotional needs. We are here to help you tackle these root causes so the issues don't keep coming back. By the end of our pre-assessment phase, you will have a clear understanding of what's truly holding you back. You will feel empowered by the immediate steps you are ready to take. This is about more than hope. It's about creating tangible progress, even from day one.